Hi everyone, so today I will be analyzing this informational text called Understanding Data Visualizations. Half. The grade level that I'm aiming for is 5th grade because it's about the age range that fits this book, 9 to 12 years old. So this text mostly talks about how students can use like a collection of data and putting them into graphs and how they can read different types of graphs and different things that you can use with these graphs. Here this introduction says in this book, students will learn how the collection and use of data plays an important role in projects of all kinds. So just different ways they can use visual graphs and stuff. I'm not going to be reading through the whole book just because it is dense. And by dense I mean it has large paragraphs. Very informational. Also, this text does include a lot of technical terms, such as like right here in this first page, we got infographics, data, visualizations, and each of these terms are actually in the glossary towards the end of the book. And also, the good thing about Epic is that you can click on the words and it gives you the definition. Also, this book or this informational text can be seen as authoritative because it's basically just giving the students or the readers facts and statements, not really any questions or commands, just ideas and different ways that you can present different types of information in certain graphs. Like here, they're talking about pie graphs and kids' favorite kinds of ice cream or orange juice preferences. It's also very semiotic because it does have different pictures in each page, like how each graph is going to look. We have a bar graph, we just saw the pie graph, line graphs, scatter plots. You can also see these types of graphs when you're on an app, making like keeping track of your investments. We got like the map of the United States, like a voting or an election going on for Obama and Romney, so that would be an infograph. So it is very semiotic, but it might be challenging for ELLs because it is very dense. It contains a lot of words that are not completely necessary. So a way that I would adapt this text would probably be to take all the information and put it in a PowerPoint and use bullet points instead of like bullet points to summarize each paragraph because it's a lot of repetitive information. I would separate it into like different categories like pie charts, bar charts, scatter plots. And I would also shelter instruction on this type of information by having students talk about their background knowledge on what they already know about these types of graphs and type of data that they collect on a daily basis or that they've collected before in previous classes. And then we would go over all the technical terms before going into the lesson. So making connections between their experiences, their personal experiences with all the terms, and go over what they mean. That's how I would shelter the instruction while teaching this type of information. And yeah, that's it.